In this video, I'm going to show you a pick 4 workout for the state of Ontario that may shock you. Once you see how these numbers lined up, you may start looking at this state completely different. So grab a pen and let's jump in. Welcome back and thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to jump right into Ontario's because this setup is something different. As I was going through some of these recent Ontario results, I noticed something interesting about the way these numbers were set up. And once I saw where it was leading, I just couldn't wait to share it with you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to break it down step by step so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. For today's example, I'll be starting with Ontario's previous hit 3630, which came out on April 9th, 2026 to show how April 10th hit. So let's dive in. Now the way that you start setting up this workout is by drawing 3 tic-tac-toe boxes on your sheet. This is what that looks like. Once you have your 3 tic-tac-toe boxes set up, you will now put the first 3 digits from your previous hit going diagonal from the top left to the bottom right in the first tic-tac-toe box. Here's what that looks like. After you have put your first 3 digits in the first tic-tac-toe box, you want to take the last digit off of that previous number and put it in the second tic-tac-toe box. This is what that looks like. After you have placed your last previous hit digit in the second tic-tac-toe box, you now want to take the first digit and the second digit from the first tic-tac-toe box and flip those to its mirror digits and put them in the second tic-tac-toe box. This is what that looks like. After you have put your 2 mirror digits in the second tic-tac-toe box with the last digit off of your previous hit, you now want to mirror all the numbers from the first tic-tac-toe box and put those numbers in the third tic-tac-toe box. Here's an example. Once you have mirrored all your numbers from the first tic-tac-toe box and put those mirror digits in the third tic-tac-toe box, you now go back to the first tic-tac-toe box and fill in all those numbers. The way that you fill in all those numbers is by adding all the way around, starting with the bottom right digit. Here's an example of that. Once you have filled in all your numbers in the first tic-tac-toe box, it's now time to fill in the second tic-tac-toe box. You will count backwards starting with the number in the bottom right corner. Here's what that looks like. Now that you have all your numbers filled out in each tic-tac-toe box, it's now time to apply your date sum in each box. The date sum that is working right now for the state of Ontario is the back one day, month, and day in the month date sum. Once you have your date sum, you will circle those digits in those boxes. Here's how that looks. Now when using this workout, you are to use it day for day and night for night. On April 10th, 2026 evening time, the number that hit was 6926. Now look at this and see how it lines up with the workout. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. There is more in store where that came from. And Ohio, your video is up next, so be on the lookout. Make sure to drop a comment and I'll catch you in the next one.